day for a ball game. We've got quite a matchup coming up here. It is still scoreless going to the bottom of the first. The righty will move up to the mound. Nolan Arenado steps up to the plate. That is a called strike. 0-1. There's a strike. Now the pitch. Got him swinging for an out. Strikeout number 1 for Gray. Here's Corey Dickerson with an 11-game hitting streak. On the ground to third. On to first. And there's 2 down. Coming up to the plate now is Michael Franco. Misses for ball 1. It's ball 1. And they'll try to keep crowding him in, but this pitch misses as well. Now a fastball off the plate away, and that one is a called strike. 3-1. That's 1 in there from the stretch. Got him! We played 2.5. Albert Pujols will come in. Throw is on the way. And it is sent the other way, deep right center field. And the second inning begins with a fly out, quickly 1 away. Kevin Kiermaier will come up. He has a 21-game hitting streak. It's a fly ball to left center. Here's Jose Altuve. Here he comes. And a first pitch strike. A pause, and now the pitch. He got way under that one as it will float down behind shortstop. Let's take a look at today's lineup. Jorge Polanco will step in now with 2 away as they need to get it going here. Now here's the first pitch. Swung on and driven towards second base. The fourth is half done. Let's head to the bottom. Coming up to the plate is Corey Dickerson. 0-for-1 here in this one. First pitch breaking ball for strike 1. 0-1. Tapped over the mound. And that will drop in center field for a leadoff single. Michael Franco will step in 0-for-1 in the ball game. Here he comes. He blew it by him for a strike 1. Runner takes off. The throw is late, and the runner gets credit for the steal. Here's the 1-1 pitch. Pulls one towards left field. Base hit. He'll get home for a run with that. And a relay to the plate. 1 run has scored. And the Royals take a 2-0 lead. Tommy Edman will pinch, and the pitcher will try to pick off the runner. He won't get picked off here. First pitch on the way. Sinker thrown for a strike. Here's the windup. Now the pitch. It'll get in there low, and here comes the throw. The throw is late, and the runner gets credit for the steal. And pitch. And a strike. He waits. Now the pitch. And that misses. Here is that 2-2. A grounder to second. Throw to first will get him easily. Kevin Kiermaier will step in the box. 0-for-1 in the ball game. A strike. From the belt, the pitch. He lays off this one. 1-1 on the way. Slider thrown in for a called strike. This ball is hit straight towards right center. And this is hit into the alley and should be good for extra bases. And the Royals take a 3-0 lead. Jose Altuve will get a second try now. He's 0 for 1. The pitch. There's a ground ball hit towards third. And the throw is a bit high, but he handles it nicely. And there are 2 away now. Here comes. And the ball is grounded to second. Throw to first in time. And that will end the inning. It continues to be 3-0. Coming up to the plate is Bobby Witt Jr. He flew out his last time up. He's ready now. The pitch. Here's a breaking ball outside. And the pitch. The batter doesn't bite. 3-0. A sinker that stays in the zone for the first strike. And that drifts outside. Lost him there. Ball 4. Nelson Cruz will try again. He grounded out. The pitcher tries to pick the runner off at first. He won't get picked off here. Outside, 1-0. Now the 1-0 pitch. Hits the target here for strike 1. Gray, ready, the 1-1. And this one is ruled in favor of the pitcher as it caught the inside. Swung on and driven towards short. And an out at first. Nolan Arenado will get his first opportunity now. He's 0 for 2. Runner sprints towards third. He'll get tagged out before he gets to the base. He'll take a tough pitch that tags the outside part of the plate for strike 1. On now to the bottom half of inning number 6. Strike 1 at the knees. 0-1. And here's a pitch swung on and missed. He launches one down the middle. And this will be a base hit as it'll apply some pressure to open the inning. Tommy Edman. Coming up next, runner at first. And a fastball blows by him for strike 1. Here's a hit, and it'll be a ground ball. Around second, he'll try for third. Batter coming up now is Albert Pujols, 0 for 2 to this point. Grounder fouled off towards the third base dugout. No ball, 1 strike. And he lays down a good bunt here. Throw in time. 1 gone here in the 6th. Kevin Kiermaier digs in now. He's 1 for 2 so far. The fastball misses low. Now here's the pitch. This one goes by the belt. It's 1-1. And this one's hit on the ground, but foul. From the belt, kick and deal. Back and out of play. Here comes a 1-2. And a breaking ball gets the strike, ending his at-bat. Jose Altuve will dig in. No hits in his 2 attempts thus far. And the batter makes a wise decision to hold off on the swing. That's in for a strike. 1 ball and 1 strike. Here comes the 1-2. And he punches him out on strikes. It's back-to-back strikeouts. Caleb Thielbar. He's the new left-hander. Here's the pitch. Swings and gets nothing but air. 0-1. Strike. Strike 2 pitch on the way. Hit well, right center field. And he'll have himself a base hit. Swinging around first, en route to second. And he is into second with a double. Bobby Witt Jr. will make his appearance now as his teammates are looking for that breakthrough play with a runner in scoring position. And he looks as the fastball goes by him for strike 1. Big swing and a miss. Has a look, now the pitch. Smashed high in the air in the opposite direction to the right. He'll tag up and head for third. Nelson Cruz will step into the batter's box. And runners on the corners with 1 out. He'll take a look at ball 1. The 1-0 pitch. And it's a called strike to even the count at 1. He got just the top of that one as it is grounded out to second base. The bases are empty with 2 away now for Nolan Arenado. There is 2 down. Outside for a ball. 1 ball, no strikes. Good pitch. Fastball, called strike. A ball and 2 strikes now. Swing and a ball hit on the ground. Throw to first to get him as he takes care of that nicely. On now to the bottom half of inning number 8. The pitch is low. It's a ball and no strikes. Now a fastball for a called strike. And now it's even 1-1. The 1-2 from Fieldbar. Swing and a line drive to left. Base hit to left field. And he is safe at second base with a double. Tommy Edman will come up to bat. He singled in his last plate appearance. First pitch to him. The pitch is outside. It's 1-0. And he watches a called strike as this one bears in on him. Solid hit on the ground to third. And he is going all in and heading for home. And they are on the board. And the Royals take a 6-1 lead. And a base runner for a very hot hitter in Albert Pujols. Down low for ball 1. 1-0. And he misses again. 2-0. Now the 2-0 home. A fastball off the plate away. 3-0 now. He takes it for ball 4. Kevin Kiermaier will get another shot. He's 1 for 3. And a ball. It's 1-0. The 1-0. There's a slider. It'll get in there for a strike. It's a ball and a strike. A strike on the outside corner. The 1-2 with 1 away. And a bouncing ball foul. Now the 1-2. Swing and a grounder hit hard to short. There's 1. That's not 2. 1 down in the inning, and the batter coming up is Jose Altuve. Nothing to hit on that one. 1-0. And the pitch. A fastball here as he'll take a look at ball 1. And this one looks a bit inside. However, it's ruled a strike. And that one is a called strike. 2-2. Swung on, and it's popped up, heading towards foul territory. And he'll get to it in foul territory for the second out. Here comes Salvador Perez. He's 2 for 3. He'll start it off with a curveball for a strike. Swing and a miss. Here's the pitch. Lined to left. This is lined into left field for a base hit. And the run will come home to score from third. And the runner comes in from first. And the Royals take an 8-1 lead. Bobby Witt Jr. will get in his 3rd attempt at it here. He flew out his last time up. He's ready now. The pitch. That is a called strike. 1 ball, 1 strike. He was slow on this one. Swung on and missed. And it's 1-2. Grounded to second. Throw to the fielder is in time.